Morning.
Good morning.
My name is Tina Hatchett, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to go over patient national safety goals that is established by Joint Commission. In 2002, Joint Commission established the National Patient Safety Goal Program. This program was established to help accreditate organizations and also to address specific areas of concerns in regards to patient safety. It is the number 2 national patient safety goal is the actual staff improvement communication. Communication failure is the leading cause of serious safety events or sentinel events that are evaluated by Joint Commission. Communication is the number 1 root cause of serious safety events. The research that I did on my case study was for technology, education, and training. Technology that I looked into had some very important facts and some improvements that we could actually save time and decrease the delay in care. And then one of the main problems with inadequate communication, of course, is delay in care. One implication would be to change smartphones or tablets that would alert the appropriate team members so that they would be confirmed of the notification. This would include the primary nurse, the charge nurse, and the hospitalist on duty. So they would get immediate notifications for critical results or even alerts from telemetry or codes, those kinds of things would go straight to that smartphone. This is just one example that I was able to look at. This is actually from a telemetry room. This is the actual alert that was sounded from the patient room. The telemetry tech has one button to push and it would forward the alarm to the nurse. The nurse having the smartphone would be able to receive the alarm on the mobile device, accept the alert, and it would also immediately trigger patient and launch a code blue. This saves time, it's coordinated, it's not delaying in care, and you don't have the extra time calling the secretary, trying to get in touch with the nurse, trying to find the nurse. They can save anywhere from 2 to 3 to 10 minutes depending on the availability of the nurse. The second thing that I looked into was training day. It was found that most colleges do not have a curriculum for teaching the new students the knowledge or important information needed for adequate communication. For handing off reporting or to report to staff members that are coming on or leaving the shift. So we looked into some research in order to establish that. And it was found that schools should incorporate innovative teaching strategies on handoff reporting through curriculum programs to provide this efficiency and to provide safe transition of care. The next thing we looked at was some advancements of programs that were already established, and that's the SBAR. The SBAR is an electronic record or a type of tool that we use to hand off. In the past, the SBAR was filled out by hand, or either you had to populate that information into the computer. With the SBAR now, we know that with each handoff of information, it degrades from person to person. This leads to communication errors. So with technology and looking at the different programs, SBAR, we were able to add a transfer note. The transfer note actually will populate the electronic health record into the SBAR and give us the information that we needed without having to go through and search each area in the H&P to try to fill out the SBAR. And one study showed that the staff who actually read or used the SBAR was only 28 to 31% prior to the transfer note being initiated. Once the initiation of the transfer note, several months later, it was initiated by the staff to report it using it 100% of the time, which gives you a much more accurate information instead of verbal reports, which can lose their efficiency and things change or something gets left off. So with that communication, we are trying to look into the breakdown of communication as the standard of care is easily corrected. Education, technology, standardization of the communication are just a few ways that we can help advance our scores in the National Patient Safety Goal and improve staff and safe communication between the staff, and also improve patient safety in the long run. Thank you.